Unacademy Pujari, and I'm back again with another video of this web development series where we gonna see one of the most important part of web development and making websites, and that is font. Yes, font is extremely important in building websites. And why? Because it provides the look and feel of the website. It communicates indirectly with the users that what is your website, what is your brand saying, what is the message of your brand. Everything depends on the colors and the fonts, and in this video we gonna see in detail about fonts and how to work with fonts in CSS. So without any delay, let's get started. So guys, I'm an educator in Newton School, so let's see what Newton School is all about. So, my friends, Newton School is a platform which prepares you for career in tech. They have variety of courses which help professional working people and also for the people from non-tech background. Isn't that amazing, guys? They train you for 6 months to be a full stack web developer. Also, they ensures that you get placed in the best companies in the country. This wasn't the best part, guys. They have pay after placement facilities which ensures that you don't need to pay anything until and unless you get placed in the best companies with minimum 5 lakh CTC. Isn't that crazy, guys? So one more thing. Here you can see Launchpad. Launchpad is an initiative by Newton School for the students who want to learn coding from scratch, and here you can do as much as quiz you want and assignments you want to practice for the free of cost. Isn't that cool? And I want you all to go and check out their pages and try your hands on with this practice questions. So my friends, we are done with the introduction part. Now let's quickly see how to work with fonts in CSS. Now as you can see on the screen, we have simple HTML ready where we have one paragraph tag, and we're gonna edit and we're gonna style that paragraph tag. Now let's see what is the first property we're gonna see in fonts. First and the foremost thing is font family. Yes, what font family you want to give to your paragraph is important. But on the screen, you will see that there are many of the fonts. So what are they? They are called as font stack and they come together. Why is that? So why do we need to use alternative fonts? We can just use one as well because of the compatibility issues. Some browsers do not support some fonts. So that is why we provide this font stack as a backup plan. If one type of font is not supported, then it will show another. That is not also supported, then it will show another. So that is why using font stack is very important while providing fonts in the website, so that it is compatible enough and users won't face any difficulties while visiting on the website. Another thing we have here is Google Fonts. And what is that? Sometimes what happens, some fonts are already in our operating system, so we can easily access them. But sometimes we see other fonts which are attractive and which suits our look and feel of our website. But unfortunately, they are not available in our operating system. Right, so for that reason, what do? We import it from outside. And what is that place? From where do we import? We import it from Google Fonts, and it is very simple. You have to just go to the Google Fonts, and there you have to name of the font that you want, and just copy the link and paste it inside your HTML in the head section, and then you have to use that particular font name over here wherever you need in CSS. So this was that simple to import, and it's done. Now next important thing is defining its size. Okay, now you have decided your font family that you want this, but what will be the size? The headings will require different size, the paragraphs will have different sizes, the subheadings will require different sizes, right? So as per their sizes we have to customize it. So for this reason we will use font size property. And also you will notice that I have used this px. This px is called as pixels, and it is the unit, one of the unit of this font size. You can use px, em, rem. There are many things which gonna come up and we will discuss in future videos, but right now remember pixels is the unit for font size. Now next comes line height. What is that line height? Line height is important because you can keep some space between the lines, and it looks clean and breathable. Otherwise it will look very much congested. So if you want, line height is a great option to use while styling your websites. Now next comes font weight. What exactly this font weight is, let us see. This will make our fonts look more and more bolder. You can either use font weight, or there is another style to make bolder, and that is font style. Here you can make it bold, italic, any type that you want. So my friends, this much for today. Hope you guys like this video, and also please share this with your friends. It really helps me to grow on this channel. And also if you have any doubt, please let me know in the comment section. I would be really happy to help you guys out. And yes, have a great day. Bye bye.